Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Grok in your Tesla. Just follow these steps so you can understand what Grok is, check if your vehicle supports it, and start using it anytime. Grok is an advanced AI companion developed by xAI and integrated into Tesla vehicles. It's designed to provide accurate, helpful, and insightful answers across a wide range of questions. Is Grok available on all Tesla vehicles? No. Grok is currently available on the following Tesla models: Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck. To use Grok, your vehicle must also meet these requirements: an AMD processor, vehicle software version 2025.26 or later, premium connectivity, or a stable Wi-Fi connection. Tesla may expand Grok availability to more vehicles through future over-the-air updates. Availability may also change or end at any time. To enable and use Grok, open the app launcher on your Tesla screen and tap Grok. You can also press and hold the microphone button on your steering wheel to activate it. Grok can now handle navigation commands, such as setting destinations, changing routes, or finding points of interest. To use navigation with Grok, activate it from the steering wheel, set the personality to Assistant, and make your request. Your vehicle must be running software version 2025.44.25 or later for navigation features to work. Keep in mind that Grok is currently in beta. It does not support voice commands for vehicle controls like media or climate, and your existing Tesla voice commands will continue to work as usual. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to use Grok in your Tesla anytime.